Afternoon guys, I'm back out. I'm down the Galloway forest at the secret spot. I've got Ollie with me. We're going to do some campfire cooking.
Yes.
We're going to cook some mince and tatties. I was actually in B&M and I met Titch, who says I should cook mince and tatties. So this is a video for Titch. It was good meeting you, mate, and B&M. So, what you want to show Ollie? Oh yeah, that's Ollie's treat, isn't it?
Yeah, look, it's awesome.
Double Mars bar. So
it's the dual one.
The dual one. So we'll set the tent up, guys, and I'll bring you back when we're all set up. I did see there's somebody camping down here, so I might go down and see if I can see the person. So we'll get the tent set up. I'll bring you back. Afternoon guys, I'm out with Ollie here, right? And my car's up here. I'm at the same spot I was with Derek, right? And I could see the smoke coming. And then, sorry, what was your name again? Clark came and he shouted, was that Stuart?
And he said,
hello everybody.
So I just wanted to say hello and show Clark in my video. Clark's down there.
Have a good one.
So there we go everybody, we're here, I'm set up, I've got my car over there, car camping, wild camping, whatever you want to call it. So, got the tent set up. I've not used this tent for a while, so I'm not too sure if that's set up right or not, but I'm sure it is. It doesn't look right, but whatever, it's up. So I can't remember if I've done it right or wrong. Somehow I'm thinking I've done it wrong, but yeah, whatever, that'll need to. So tent's up, I've got the usual setup. I've got my down sleeping bag, my El Cheapo one, and I've got the British Army Arctic one. Got the Vango sleep mats. Got my reflective mat in the bottom. So Ollie's collecting pine cones.
I have loads already.
He's got an obsession collecting pine cones, guys. So he'll collect all of these up round about. So I'm actually waiting for somebody else coming. Actually, I think Sean was meant to be coming. I phoned him about an hour ago, but he's not here yet. So who knows if he's coming or not. But yeah, I just thought I would show you the setup, and I'm going to have the little campfire just over here where I had it the last time. I camped here with Derek and Glenn and Colin. Maybe Colin might be coming because I asked Colin as well. So I don't have as much wood as what Derek brought with him. I've just brought a little pile with me, so that should be enough to cook with. Get a little fire. It really isn't that cold, to be honest. It's about 10 Celsius or something, so it's fine. Do a bit of cooking and then we'll go in our tent. So we're doing mince and tatties for Titch, who asked me to do it, and he says if I do it he's going to comment, because he's watched me for years but never commented. So That's for Titch, Mince and Tatties when we cook it. But as always, it's all mines. All mines. So I better get the fire going, guys. Olly's told me that he's extremely hungry. So, fire time. So there we go, guys. I'm using the zebra and I'm using my Pathfinder bush pot. So the water's ready. I'm actually going to boil my potatoes in the bush pot. But I just boiled the water and the zebra to get them going. And I'm going to use that for the mince. So there we go. I'm just going to transfer the water over. There we go. So get the tatties. The tatties on. For anybody in England, it's potatoes. But up in Scotland, they're called tatties. So there we go. Get the tatties on. There we go. There's Olly. It's dinner time, Olly. It won't be long.
Okay.
So get that on the go. Well, it needs another maybe like 30 minutes, Olly. Are you picking up some pine cones?
Yeah.
Are you enjoying being here in the secret spot?
Yeah, Bob.
Is it good with your hat? Go and get your hat.
Why? You know it's too big.
So I'll bring you back, guys. And so next thing, I'm putting the mince on.
I think I got You can put anything on. You can't do that.
So I'm using the beef mince from Aldi's. You can't beat Aldi's, can you not? So in case somebody asks, it's the Pathfinder pot frying pan that I'm using. It's the same as the MSR one. I've actually forgot the oxo. You need to add oxo into that to give it a bit of taste. But I've actually forgot it, so sorry about that.
That's good. You took the car right. Go up. The news did the go.
So I'm browning the mince, guys. I've done half. Half of it's in this pot. If we can see. Look. Half it's in the pot and half it's still cooking away. So my potatoes, they're going to take a while. So I'll brown the mince and then Ollie's just said he's seen something special. What did you find?
A ring.
Let me see it, Ollie. It's a ring. What? It looks like the piece off a tarp, doesn't it?
Yeah, but I was having.
Magic ring, Ollie.
Yes. I'm not finding it.
Don't throw it away.
Why?
Just keep it. You've been collecting pine cones, Ollie.
I have.
Look, he's got a Tesco bag full.
And I have over 100.
So, I don't know if you can see, but there's tons of pine cones offline here. All of them will be collected by the morning. So, back over to the food. The mince is still cooking away lovely. I was talking to the couple down here. Sorry I forgot your name, mate. I'm murder at names. I really am. Sorry about that, but it was good meeting you. I need to go down and I'll give you a look at their setup later. But yeah, there we go. There's the Mince browning away. There you go, I better stir that, guys. So there we go, guys, that's the gravy. Let's get the mince in. There we go, how does that look? Always looks like dog food, doesn't it? Lovely. So, we'll get that back in the fire. I might actually need to add some more water to that, but at the moment that's looking okay. So, get that back in the fire. Get the lid on that bad boy. So the dinner's ready, guys. The potatoes are finished. My mince is ready, so I'll give you a look at the potatoes. Yeah, I would say the potatoes are ready.
Okay.
There's the potatoes, so I'm going to mash them up, guys. And I'll give you a look at the mince. There's the mince bubbling away. Bubbling away a treat. So, we'll get that in a bowl. We'll get that in my belly. So there we go, guys. Ollie's doing a little lap roundabout. He's doing his running. But that's the mince and tatties ready, guys. And as always, it's all mines, all mines, all mines. So, what's the verdict on the mince and tatties, Ollie?
Pretty good.
Remember, this is for Titch. Remember Titch that we met in B&M?
Yes.
And the man says we have to cook mince and tatties.
And plus, you need to be watching this, and the top 100 people with that diff voucher of my £10 voucher
Yeah.
number.
Ollie says you need to be watching Titch. So, that's dinner. You rate it? 10 out of 10?
Maybe now 10.
9 out of 10? So, Boy in the Wild?
Yes.
Yeah.
And I would say...
Is that your YouTube channel?
No.
You not got a YouTube channel yet?
No, this is my YouTube channel. World winner.
World winner, yeah. He's the world winner. So, we're going to eat dinner, guys, and we probably will end up going to bed. I think we're probably going to play the phone. And just chill. Just a little chill camp, isn't it, Ollie?
Yeah, I might go into home.
And then we'll be going home. We'll probably go home pretty early. We'll probably end up going home about 6. So I'll bring you back in the morning, guys, when we're leaving. Right? Night, guys. That's us. We're in my sleeping bags.
Yes.
You lovely and toasty, Ollie.
Yes.
So, good night. We'll catch you in the morning. You saying goodbye, Ollie?
Did.
Goodbye.
Did. Bye.
Are you enjoying the camping?
Yes.
Yeah. Are you number 1 camper?
No.
Number 1
No.
boy camper?
No.
No? Okay. So, good night, guys. Catch you in the morning. Morning guys. It's about 6 in the morning. Olly's just woke up.
Yes.
How was your night?
Good.
Was it good? Did you enjoy it?
Yes.
Yeah. So we're going to pack the tent up
Leave.
and we're going to say thanks for watching guys.
And then we'll leave.
Yeah, and then we're leaving.
I wanted this, Mom.
He wants to go home and kiss Mum. So thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Sorry about my camera, it's a little steamed up. Give it a little wipe. There we go. Is that better? So thanks for watching. And it was good meeting Clark and your wife, mate. Sorry I forgot your name like 10 times. But so thanks to everybody for watching. Thank you. Are you saying goodbye, Olly?
Bye.
Goodbye. So there we go guys, that's where I was camped, right here. I actually camped here the last time when I camped with Derek and Glenn. I was here, Colin was there, and Glenn was over here. But just to show, I always do it in my videos, just to show that I've left no trace. There's no mess been left, because sometimes I get messages on videos, people saying, oh I camped at that spot 3 years later and there was bags and bags of rubbish. It wasn't me. So I actually got accused of that a lot longer, even though if the person had watched the whole of my video to the end, they would have seen that there was no mess left. We did have a campfire, but whenever I've camped somewhere, honestly, there's always been established campfires. So I just use the campfire that's there. So, and I bring my own wood. I don't take wood. I've not chopped any trees down or anything here, because they're all green anyway, as we all know. It's just the idiots that think they can chop down green wood and burn it. So, just to say thanks for watching, and this was just a little test camp for Olly, because he's not been out camping for a year. He says he was going to go camping for like 7 days, but I don't know. So I might leave it till summertime and we'll see if he wants to go back out again. But he's off for 2 weeks, Easter holidays, so I probably will take him places like Ben Ann and things like that. Day trips maybe. So thanks for watching guys. So there we go, no mess. I'll take you over to where I had my fire and I'll show you that there's just the fire pit. That was here when we actually came, I think that was 2 weeks ago. I came with Colin, Glenn and Derek. We actually did collect the rocks from round about, but the actual fire pit has been here forever. Which, one fire pit's fine. It's what I hate is when people start burning. See, look over there, it's nice and flat, and then somebody has another fire pit. I don't see the point. Why not just share one? But there we go, because there's one up here as well. Look, a fire pit away over there. But yeah, I'll take you over and I'll show you where Angie and Clark was camping over here. So thanks guys, I'll take you over there and show you, and I'll say thank you for watching. Thank you. Look, that's what I'm talking about. Look, that's what I'm talking about, people leaving their mess. So I'll bag that up and take that away with me. But here's where Clark and Angie are camping down there. Look. Take you down and show you. They did a little campfire as well. It's nice, I've actually camped in this spot before. This is where I've done my Dutch Army camp. Dutch Army bivvy one. There we go. Look. So, thanks for watching, guys. There's Ollie coming. I think he thinks I'm running away from him. Did you think I was coming for more cupcakes, Ollie?
Yes.
Ollie got some cupcakes last night and he's thinking I'm down here getting more. But no. Did I have any cupcakes, Ollie?
No.
No, just Ollie.
I was just jogging.
Was you jogging?
Yes.
Oh, I forgot to say Ollie loves his jogging. Go on, show us you jogging. He's actually joined a Taekwondo club, which he's been going to for 2 years. Or is it a year and a half now? He's a yellow belt, so he's into his fitness, is Ollie. He was running, this actually goes round in a loop. And he was actually running round this last night. See if you notice where I'm camping, it goes round in a loop, right? So he was actually running around it last night. There he goes, he's away in there, in the trees. Boy in the wild. Loves his fitness, does Ollie. I should train with him, shouldn't I? But thanks, guys. I'm going to head home and get a cup of coffee. Enjoyed this camp, really was good. So, thanks for watching. I've probably said that before, but thank you. Thanks guys. Just come back to the car, guys. Look, some animal's been climbing over my car, look.